Hi. 3 videos ago, I launched the Mercury-Redstone rocket to test how well it flies. In that video, the rocket's parachute failed to open, and the rocket landed on the road and broke into several pieces. I have now repaired the rocket. I have repaired the escape tower, the capsule. I had to cut down part of the body tube and then repaint the checkerboard around the top. I had to replace 3 out of the 4 fins and make sure that the body tube was stable again. So in the next video, I'm going to relaunch the rocket and test the Mercury-Redstone once again. Hopefully this time it'll launch and come down intact. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.